Hey guys, it's Ethan here from home. I'm doing a special video where I'm unboxing 20 Dollar Tree bag toys, Final Faction. So we're gonna skip the Karn, or whatever that is, and we're gonna skip those. So we're gonna go to the crawlers first. So, wow, surprised that worked. Boom. Boom. I'm surprised that worked. Boom. Wow. And last bag. Work thingy. Done. So each crawler so the crawlers come in two. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 crawlers. Cool. Let's move on to these guys. Why? Everything's going flying. Okay, 5 decimators. What happened to his arm? Oh no, his arm. It's broken. Okay, after the video, we'll find it. So, 5 decimators. Cool. Oh, there it is. 5 of those things. Now the time we've all been waiting for. 10 synthoids. Aren't we all excited for that? Ow. Oh, I hate when that happens. Come on. I hope everybody can still see them. Pile of toys. Oh, this. There we go. That was worth keeping. So much trash. 3 synthoids left to go. Come on. Oh, I broke the plastic. Go ahead, the mic. Yeah. Oh, sorry, there's still 2 more. I thought there was only 1 left. That was 20 figures altogether. 10 synthoids. 10 synthoids. 5 whatever these things are. Decimators. This guy's arm is gone. Again. And 10 of these guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Just me just doing destruction. See you guys later. Bye.